Hello, soulful foodies. I'm back with a quick video of an AIP compliant crockpot pot roast that I made. It was quick, easy, and oh so tender. Now I use my AIP compliant table blend, seasoning salt, and savory herb blend seasonings in this recipe. So check out the description box for more details. So tell me, are you subscribed? Now I'm over here dropping content every week, so come on over and join the Soulful Foodie Squad, because we eat good over here. Now you can make a gravy by using cassava flour or arrowroot flour or even tapioca flour to thicken the juices, but I prefer to eat it just the way it is with some mashed sweet potatoes and the drippings over the top. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching Soulful AIP.